Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Continuations with the Excel series. Today I will give you one exercise about advanced search with multiply condition using the lookup function. Exactly with this file, we have to find the realist relocation date and destination for each individual in the group. This is data table. This is result table. You have to find realist relocation date and destination input in this table. Okay, now I will show you how I do it with lookup function. This exercise is high level because it have one condition about time. First of all, you download file I put in description below. You have a zip file. Now I will input formula in this cell to find the realist relocation date with lookup function. Okay, equal lookup open parenthesis 2, 1 device open parenthesis open parenthesis. This is basic where I search with multiply condition using the lookup function. First condition is about name. I select this string, press F4. In this string, I only find the cell have a name same with the Z4. You lock this column because we copy formula to below. Close parenthesis, device, open parenthesis. Let's condition about time. I select this string, press F4 to lock. In this string, I only find the corresponding date for each individual. It means I only find the date same with James Miller. And after that, I have to find Mark number in this ring because it means Mark number is realist relocation date. So in here I put Mark open parenthesis open parenthesis. First condition is this string. Press F4. Close parenthesis. Multiply. Now I only keep the date corresponding with the range Miller. So I will copy this, copy and paste in here. The second condition about mark formula, close parenthesis, and close parenthesis, comma. Result vector is this string. Press F4, close parenthesis, enter. And you see, formula already found realist relocation date 20 July. About destination, we use VLOOKUP to find in this table. Press F4. Call index number is number 3, comma 0 to find approximate mass. Close parenthesis. Enter. Uta. Yeah. This row. I will copy formula to below. I select this ring and press the Ctrl D. Okay. Now I already found the result in this table. The problem in this formula is condition about time. You can watch again to understand why I use this formula in time condition. Okay, if you see my video and this support is useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.